I just got off of a 10-hour traveling stint, and of course the first thing that we do is open up a faceting machine. We are in Geneva, Switzerland, and we are going to unbox a refurbished Bunter. Came from Greece, originally came from Geneva, so it's kind of coming back home. Let's get inside and see what it looks like.
To collect the water.
So the machine has a new home, and now we get to open all of these little boxes and see what's in here.
G200 to 460. So some ducks. Those are good. The aluminum ones are the best because they don't get hot too fast. So this is to screw the laps. Some bigger ducks. Some Helen key. Can you guess what is it? So we need to add the tube and make it to the hot water in here to keep the lap. So everything is set up. With the machine comes two handpieces Both are with the index 128, and I also bring an index 96. The Swiss machines are very often with the index 128. To me, I know this index so well, I can cut anything with it. Here you have the grinding lap, that's the thin one, and this thing has a sponge in it, and so the water comes here and keeps the lap cool. And here it's the polishing lap. This is copper and it's brand new, so we'll have to score this one later. Here it's to get the water waste. This part here is if you want to make some rounds. This is for calibrating round shapes. So you turn it here and it's going to push that, so when your round piece will stop here, and then as you go you can gently, it's holding the round piece at a distance from the lap, and you can adjust as you go. For the polishing lap, behind here there is a speed variator, so we can go very slow or very fast. So there is different dop size that came with the machine. So there is a very skinny one for smaller stone, and here you go, and there is bigger dops. So here it's a bunch of bigger dops for bigger stone, of course. And here we have a bigger dop holder, and we can change them. There is a finer cutting lap here on the machine, so that's just to cut your normal facet and everything. There is a polishing lap in copper. It's really good for corundum, but I like to polish almost everything with this. And here it came with a very coarse lap, so that's going to do your preforms. Or if you have a giant stone, you can cut it faster. So the Bunter round piece at his angle here, it goes from 0 to 90. So you move it like that. And here you have the micro adjustment, so you can turn and be exactly at the angle you want. So you have the index wheel here. You can turn it and you know the number right. And there is a cheater. So the cheater is this little thing, and it's going to twist to the left or to the right the round piece. So when you move like that, right now it's turning the index through the left. And there is wheels here, so those wheels will roll on the machine rail.
So there you have it, our brand new Bunter machine, unboxed, ready to go, and all set up in our new workshop. We want to give a special thanks to George, who sold the machine to us, but not only sold it, he did such a beautiful job of refurbishing the machine. He sent us photos along the way, and we kind of got to watch him strip the whole machine down and build it back up and repaint it and clean it up, and I don't even know what else he did, but you can see that it looks like it's a brand new machine, and this is really one of the oldest machines that we have in our collection, and especially oldest working machine. So again, thank you, George, for doing such a beautiful refurbishment and also such a beautiful pack job on the box. So this has been Justin K. Prim and Victoria Reyno out here in Europe, and we will see you guys next time on the Gem Cutters Craft.